Are we gonna do a mukbang?
Yes!
Hello, I'm Liana.
I'm Marissa.
And I'm Akila. And we are
Likely!
I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about mukbang.
Moknan bangsong, yes.
What do you guys know about it?
It's basically eating broadcast, is what it translates into. So you just kind of eat a lot and a lot.
Yeah.
Like a lot.
I know that they eat excessively.
Yeah, in front of the camera.
Not excessively, but ridiculously.
Yeah.
Like,
Bunch of
same thing.
foodies.
dark origin.
Yeah,
Origin?
the secret behind it.
No, what is it?
So people in South Korea usually makan sorang-sorang. So bila they see mukbang, it is as if they are eating together.
Oh, that's cute. But then the other person's eating so much.
Yeah, that's the thing. Most Korean mukbangs did not eat for days just to eat that amount of food.
What?
So they starve themselves.
Yeah, they starve themselves.
I don't
Oh my
think that's
goodness.
healthy. So are we gonna do a mukbang?
Ooh, are we?
Oh my god,
Food?
yes, please, because I'm hungry.
Hungry, starving, yeah, I'm
Yeah,
starving.
we've not had our lunch.
Food.
Okay, we're gonna bring in the food now in 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Honestly,
This is a lot of
so
food.
good.
I can't. I don't know how we're gonna.
I'm just hungry and I know I'm gonna eat. I don't know
Yeah.
how much I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna eat.
While we are at it, I have compiled here a list of questions from our followers.
Oh.
So you will get to answer the question.
While eating chicken?
Yeah, while eating chicken.
Wow, juicy.
So, these are the type of flavors that we have. First, we have. Where's this? So, this one, I'm gonna try this one soon. And this one is
Sweet,
like a sweet
sweet
flavored
sauce.
chicken.
Like Korean, they have this
Yeah.
sweet sauce. I think that's probably it.
They have, is this chili?
Yeah, green chili. Ooh, that looks so good.
Yeah, and then this is
Lemon.
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 Cheese.
Oh, cheese. Okay.
That's garlic. That's
Oh,
garlic.
garlic. Okay.
And this
Soy
is.
This is same as this one.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
I think these three are the same.
And then we have rice.
Nasi.
Nasi.
Nasi in flavor nasi. And we have Coca-Cola.
We do cook all the time, so it's nothing.
I don't want to get kicked out of the country.
I'm gonna open this bottle of drink and we're gonna listen to it because
It's so soothing. I don't know why.
we're gonna ASMR this thing.
Can you hear?
Cheers, bitches.
And you're gonna disturb us with questions, right?
So we can just get anything?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna tear it.
Question number 1. Oh, you guys are ignoring me.
Sorry, yeah, we're that hungry.
Holy shit!
Spicy?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah,
There's
that's
a lot
your
more. We
Asian.
have to finish all this.
Yeah. And you're Asian, you can handle it.
Yeah.
What are your favorite rock kapak songs?
What's rock kapak?
Jiwang song.
Kapak minyak kapak, right?
Jiwang song.
Same. Jiwang.
Yeah,
What's
like
jiwang?
in your feelings. Sappy in your feelings.
Ah.
Apa is
But rock.
rock. Yeah, it's especially
So
for
sappy
Malays,
rock?
right?
Yeah. Sappy rock in Malay. Honestly, I don't think I have.
Simple plan!
I don't think I have any. I'm sorry.
Guys, sorry guys, I'm crying.
That was me a couple minutes ago. Next question.
Who would survive in a zombie apocalypse?
Me.
Me, I would too.
How? What are you gonna do? What's your first weapon of choice?
I just bring in the critical button.
Next question is for Kila.
Oh,
Okay, no,
for me?
When is your birthday?
Oh, my birthday is on 16th of August, so I'm a Leo, a full Leo. Oh, not full. I'm
Not full.
80% Leo. Yeah.
It's still my first chicken, guys. It's taking a while.
Same.
Oh my god, I'm so messy.
How do you guys eat on a date? Or first dates, especially?
I just eat.
Mm.
I don't cover up. If I'm hungry, I'll eat. I don't care how I
Same.
look like.
And I'm actually quite a messy eater, but I don't like So I'll have it messy, and then after that I'll clean it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't just walk around with it.
Oh yeah, of course.
What are the 3 main things you look in a partner?
Personality-wise,
Everything.
maturity.
Maturity. Loyalty. Maturity, loyalty, and someone that I can be myself to. Someone I can be myself. That's someone that I don't have to be fake or make a new whole identity just to be with them.
Humility, maturity, and I like someone who's cultured. Someone who
That's
can
a
teach me
yeah,
something.
yeah. It's very important.
Very attractive.
On to the next question. But by the way, what do you guys think how Mukbang personalities are able to make money just by doing this?
Oh, people get to make money by doing anything nowadays, so I'm not surprised.
Oh, it's nice. It's fun. It's good to be with like-minded people.
Yep.
And because we're all women, we all understand each other. We understand like, oh, we have these issues. We can talk so openly about everything.
Yeah.
Like we had to talk about menstrual cups the other day, and it was just
We
chill.
will talk about flavored condoms. I don't know what the hell is that, but our editor and Marisa pointed out that you can actually taste it. And I'm like, why you want to taste a condom? You can just buy a popsicle.
Because it's not as fun. That's why.
Basically,
It's latex.
the whole point is it's like kuah for your meat.
Mosquito.
Okay. Would you rather cheat on your partner or get cheated on?
Get cheated
what,
on.
what type of question is this? Who asked this?
Get cheated on.
Are you seriously?
I don't know.
Then I
if
can exact revenge.
I don't even want any. I don't like this question.
No, I would rather. I would rather get cheated on. Same as Marisa.
Okay, last question
Wow.
from Wally.
Oh, for
Oh, Wally.
Would Kila buy Wally a lunch?
Wally, you still owe me freaking ice cream, okay? Where's my ice cream? Asked for lunch lagi.
Yeah.
Marisa, you're like. How are you feeling? Dah? It's almost. Are you shocked on something? Okay. How are you feeling now after you did this first mukbang?
These are tears of happiness.
I can't do this all the time.
I mean, we're not even done.
Yeah, I'm in in a food coma right now. Take only what you can eat.
Yeah.
Don't waste food.
Definitely.
It always starts out with you being like really, really hungry, so you want everything,
Yeah,
and
you
then
want
you can't finish it. So that's not.
So jangan tamat haloba.
Yes.
And means being greedy lah. So don't be greedy. If you can't finish it, take away, tapao, and eat it later lah.
Eat again lah. Yeah. Or you just can just give it to your
Cats or
I was
neighbor.
thinking about neighbors, but cats is okay. Cats
Please
fine.
don't give your roti canai to your cat.
So subscribe to Likely.
Follow Mars Bars G.
And don't forget to like and comment all the stuff lah.
The food has gotten to us.
How do you mukbang and talk and
so
eat
yeah.
and think?
If you guys want to follow me personally at Cute
Mars Bars G.
Girl. I have my moment.
Want some, baby?
I'm gonna tarik Liana's boobies, ah.
Open your mouth. I'm going to make you wet. I'm going to make you wet.